All right, how many diagonals can be formed in an n-sided polygon? Okay, before we talk about n-sided polygon, let's draw a six-sided polygon, which we call a hexagon, right? So it has six sides and 6 points: A, B, C, D, E, okay? And we want to join all the diagonals. So here right now we have three entities: points, diagonals, sides, and diagonals. Now, sides are formed when we join the points on the boundary, and and diagonals are formed when we join the points inside the boundary. Okay, but before we call BC a side and AC a diagonal, what is common between these two? Both of them are lines, right? Before we call it a side or a diagonal, it is first of all a line, right? And that and so all of these AE, AB, AC, BD, CD, all of them are lines, which can be either sides or diagonals. Okay. Now, how do you form a line? So to form a line, we need to join 2 points. And how many points are there? 6 points, right? This is a hexagon, which is a 6-sided polygon. How many points we have here? 6 points, right? So out of 6 points, how many lines can be formed? To form one line, we need to select 2 points out of these 6 points. So how many ways we can select 2 points out of 6 points? 6C2. And each pair of points gives us one line, right? So 6C2 into 1 is the total number of lines. Total number of lines is 6C2, right? So for an n-sided polygon, it's NC2, right? And what's the number of sides? Number of sides is n, right? And number of diagonals? Well, that's the question that we have to answer. So we'll subtract NC2 minus n. That will give us the diagonals. We solve this, n factorial by n minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial minus n is equals to diagonals. So n factorial we can write this as n into n minus 1 factorial, and n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So again I'll change here. So n minus 2 factorial and n minus 2 factorial gets cancelled, which gives us n into n minus 2 in n into n minus 1 by 2 minus n. So if we subtract these two, we'll get if we subtract these two, we'll get n into n minus 3 by 2. And that's our answer for the number of diagonals which can be formed inside a n-sided polygon.